Now we're going to show you a new feature, which is how to add points to the teams that successfully find the evidence in the text to defend the correct answer. I'm showing you a screen for the 8th question of 8 total questions in the game for a book called Elijah of Buxton by Christopher Paul Curtis. And I'm going to unpause the clock and let the two teams get it right. In this case, the question is worth 100 points. I'm just going to tell you that in this example, all 8 questions were worth 100 points, and in all 8 questions, I hit the plus sign up here next to each team, giving them 10% of the total that the points of the questions were worth. So in this case, once I hit the plus sign, each team will get 10 points. So you'll see this in the last screen, how that will be reflected in the total score. So rather than 8 times 100, it will be 8 times 100 plus whatever additional plus 10 points per correct defense of the answer comes up. So let me explain this as we go. How did Cooter's classroom lesson with Mr. Travis most compare with Elijah's lesson with Leroy, according to what we read? 1, they were similar. 2, they were similar but different. 3, they were different. 4, they were identical. So I will unpause the clock. And then I will answer the question. And the correct answer is they were similar but different. And I'll get both of them right on both sides. Now, under the assumption that both teams or one of the teams or any of the teams, could be even 10 teams, defends the answer correctly, you'll see what happens when I hit the plus sign. Plus 10 on team 2, plus 10 on team 1, and then when I go to the final score, you'll see there are 880 total points given for this game. So each team got the question right the first time and got 10 points for each of the 8 questions for a total of 880. So that's the way it looks, and this is a pretty nice way to motivate children of any age to pursue the textual evidence and become good at being detectives. So if you have any questions, give us a call. I hope you enjoyed this one. This is a pretty nice feature. And every time you hit the 10, the plus button, in this case you give them 10 points, so it's 10% of whatever the questions were. So you can hit it multiple times if you choose, based on how difficult you think the defense was to give and find and how well they did. So that's it. Thanks.